If you are using Konsole with OpenCode and pressing Shift Enter sends your prompt instead of inserting a new line, this fix is for you. Click Menu, Settings, and configure Konsole, and click Profiles. Create a new profile. Check Default Profile, and click Keyboard. Edit Default X34 and search for \eom. Double click, change to \n, enter and OK. Apply and click OK. Make sure the profile is default. Click OK. And now we can test if the setting is applied. It is a success.